Hello and welcome back to World Traveler Cooking. Today we're going to make an aged eggnog. This will take at least 2 weeks, ideally several months. So plan ahead. I'm having this video come out in late September so that in October you can make this, you can keep it in your refrigerator until you're ready to drink it, whether it's for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or whatever. The ingredients are relatively simple. We have about 3 cups of a mixture of, about an equal mixture of milk and cream. We have 6 egg yolks. We will only use the yolks here. The whites I will set aside for pavlova, which I will also start tonight. And I will use about half a cup, that's about 120 milliliters of each, of cognac, bourbon, and rum. The interesting thing is in Indonesia, because of the way the tariffs work, we can't really get cheap alcohol here. So Martell is about the cheapest cognac I can get. There's not much difference in price between Bullet and Jim Beam, so I'm using Bullet. But I did find a relatively inexpensive, locally produced rum, so we have that. So we have again, about half a teaspoon or so of freshly ground nutmeg, and we have a pinch of salt. So first I'm going to go ahead and separate my eggs. Egg whites will go in here for the pavlova, and the egg yolks I'll put in here to beat with the sugar. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is I'm just going to beat my yolks for a moment. Then I'm going to start adding my sugar. And beating this in, and I'm going to continue this until I have all my sugar in, and then I will be back and you'll be able to see where we're at, and then I'll show you how we know we're done. So as we beat this, the sugar will dissolve and the mixture will become smoother and thicker. What we're looking for is a kind of a smooth ribbon. That's getting pretty close, so I think we will keep that where it is and get on to the next section. So here I have my most of my milk and cream, but I'm about a cup of milk short, so I'll add that tomorrow. So this is mixed with the booze, a little bit of salt, and the nutmeg. And now what I will do is I will whisk in the egg mixture. And I will keep beating this for a few more minutes. And I will use a spatula to get everything out. Be back when I'm done beating it. So I still need to add a cup of milk, which I will do and whisk again tomorrow. But otherwise this is just going to get set in the refrigerator in some bottles to age for at least a couple weeks, preferably a couple months. So then we'll be back in a few weeks or months to taste. So it's been about 2 weeks. This is pretty thick. I'm just going to give it a good shake, and then I'm going to pour some up and we'll do a taste test. And now for the taste test. It smells delightful. This is amazing. You know how like you get that fake eggnog at the store and it sort of has that artificial rum flavor? This is like 100 times better as the real thing. It's thick, it's rich, it has complexity in the liquor combination. This is amazing. If you find the content like this interesting, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this dish, love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments. At any rate, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.